Welcome to today's tutorial on flipping images in Google Docs. Whether you want to create a mirror effect, adjust the orientation, or simply flip an image, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. 1. Open the drawing tool, copy the image, go to Insert, choose Drawing and then New. 2. Paste the image into the drawing. In the drawing tool, paste the image, select the image. 3. Flip image, click the Actions button in the toolbar. Hover over, rotate. Choose either flip horizontally or flip vertically. 4. Save and close the drawing. Click Save and Close to return to your document. Congratulations! You've learned how to flip an image in Google Docs. Now you can create customized visuals with ease. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.